Afternoon or good evening. This child is John Floyd Insao, 7 years old from the Philippines, suffering from heart and lung ailment, PDA, and needs immediate medical attention, and was advised by the doctor or the attending physician for an operation. The son of Danilo and Arlene Insao. The father is a tricycle driver and the mother is jobless. Your financial help is badly needed for his operation. The complete address is Purok Paglaom, Barangay Takuling, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental.
There's painting yung gadget.
Ayos na.